We're here today at the DVC Dry Vapor Cleaner R&D Center cleaning some circuit board transformers for Wirt Electronics. The first sample we will be cleaning with only our Nerugo anti-corrosion additive. We're using straight forceps today to hold the piece into place. Secondarily, we will be doing a sample with our DVC saponifier. This will be sprayed on and then immediately cleaned. And the third sample, we'll be using our saponifier with a 30-second soaking. We're also using our DVC 176 industrial cleaning system and our waste containment management system. So after about a 6-second clean, you can see the item is clean and dry.